A bot is highly responsive. It can be interrupted and it can carry out instructions while remembering important pieces of text. Voice bots and chatbots are both forms of artificial intelligence that can interact with humans through spoken or written language. However, they have distinct characteristics and applications. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The recent advancements in AI are already touching on customer engagement globally through bots that can increase efficiency and accuracy. There are underlying technologies used to power chatbots and voice bots, such as natural language processing and machine learning, which can be susceptible to attacks like adversarial attacks, where malicious inputs are designed to trick the system. Chatbots primarily communicate through text, typically via messaging apps or websites. They can be used for customer service, sales, marketing, and other tasks like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Voice bots communicate through voice, allowing users to interact naturally using spoken language. It is often used in call centers, customer service, and virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Chatbots and voice bots offer convenience and efficiency. Chatbots and voice bots are publicly accessible interfaces, can be attractive targets for attackers. With this, it brings inadvertent vulnerabilities if not implemented and managed securely. Attackers can exploit chatbots and voice bots to engage in social engineering tactics such as phishing or impersonation. By impersonating trusted entities, attackers can trick users into revealing sensitive information or performing malicious actions. If not implemented with adequate security measures, chatbots and voice bots can be vulnerable to various attacks, including hacking, malware, and denial of service attacks. As voice bots continue to evolve, so will the methods used by attackers to exploit them. Proactive security measures and continuous monitoring are essential to protecting voice bots and the sensitive data they handle. Recently, the use of Telegram chatbot by hackers to leak data from Star Health, one of India's largest health insurers, highlights the growing risks associated with chatbots and the need for stringent data security measures. Moving forward, telecommunication fraud has been a persistent issue for decades. However, the advent of AI has significantly amplified the risks associated with telecom frauds. The AI powered robocalls have become increasingly sophisticated, making it more difficult to differentiate between genuine and fraudulent calls. Let's look into today's headlines. Government likely to extend import management system for laptops and tablets. The Indian government is said to be extending the existing import management system for imports of certain IT hardware products, including laptops and tablets, for 3 months. The deadline for review of the system is September 30th. The officials said that these imports, which mostly were coming from China, stood at $8.4 billion in 2023 to 24 against the authorization about $9.5 billion. Samsung to launch its rollable phone by next year. Following its innovations in foldable smartphones, Samsung is now setting its sights on a new frontier, a rollable phone. The smartphone brand has already dominated the foldable market with the already launched devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. The South Korean major is now reportedly developing a phone with a 12.4-inch rollable display. This new device is anticipated to be launched in the second half of 2025. The Indian Supreme Court YouTube page is hacked. The Indian Supreme Court's official YouTube channel has been hacked and has been used to show videos promoting Ripple Labs' XRP crypto token. The channel saw its name changed to Ripple.live24, which otherwise is used to stream proceedings at India's top court. Videos prompting XRP were uploaded. The entire channel was quickly taken down, with the court saying it would soon return. Google faces EU ultimatum on search dominance. The European Union officials are preparing a formal charge sheet against Google under the Digital Markets Act, targeting how the company displays rival product results across its different search services, such as Google Flights and Google Hotels. The company could face hefty penalties of up to 10% of global annual revenue if it fails to comply with the rules and takes rapid action to give more prominence to rivals across its sprawling search empire. Amazon India unveils AI chatbot Rufus ahead of its festive sale event. Ahead of the start of its festive sale event, Amazon India has launched a new generative AI powered conversational shopping assistant, Rufus. Rufus will enable natural language interactions within the Amazon app, making it easy to ask product related questions, get recommendations, or compare products, the company said. Whether typing or speaking, customers can now enjoy a more intuitive shopping experience. It has also introduced AI generated review highlights. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.